What's good, Facebook? Everybody, this your boy Dre Mario. Today is Sunday, July the 5th. I'm 2 days away from my HRT appointment, so I'm looking forward to that. So I guess I'll post a video of my first shot. Good, everybody. This your boy Dre Mario. Today is Friday. Shot day is Monday. I'll be 5 weeks on T. No physical changes. My voice every now and then is up and down. Just depends on, I guess, the time of day. I don't know. That shit is crazy. Nothing new. Oh, I got a gash in my head. Other than that, transition going good. I did my own shot in my left thigh. It didn't hurt. Just was, I guess, irritated. Not around the site, but a couple of centimeters away from the site. It was itching and irritated. So I went to the pharmacy when I went to pick up my meds. She said it was okay. I went and saw a doctor, and he said I was fine. So other than that, shit, everything is all right. I'll keep y'all posted. I'm Dre Mario. I'm out. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre Mario. Coming to throw a little video out here real quick. 7 weeks on T. Yesterday made 7 weeks. I'm gonna start posting a video every 7th of the month. So next month when I post it, damn, that would be 2 months on T, huh? But anyway, I'm just gonna start making a video once a month, because I think it's really, really impossible to post a video every week and see changes, if any, at that.
Every day is harder, you just can't let that shit get to you. Be smart about your decisions and watch them niggas you kick it with. Police watch my house, they just sit out there and take pictures in. Wish that they can bring me down and bought all of my niggas in. I'ma keep on, bitch. If you don't like it, fuck it. You can't tell me shit, cause I'm a motherfucking made nigga. How you love that clown? Check my background. Go check my background. Made nigga. Guess who's background? Yeah, I'm back.
Look out, cause we pimpin' bitches, man. We pimpin' these bitches. MJG, yeah, that's me, I'm in the motherfucking house. Don't y'all niggas fuck up and get put in that clique, cause the motherfucking pimps don't play. We want all y'all motherfuckers to know that we coming down hard.